be out in Lucky Jet going out lobstering today. So didn't know if we would actually go because there is a lot of rain. But we are out on the boat. And now it's fine some lobster crab.
Oh my goodness, right? So, this right here is our bait fish. This is herring. So we love herring because it's super smelly, oily, and disgusting. Lobsters can't see very well, but have a great sense of smell. So we use these disgusting fish, hoping the lobsters will smell and walk right up into our traps. Now our first job of the day is going to be putting 6 herring in our bait bag. When we haul up our traps, we need to change the bait bags out to renew that disgusting smell before we push the trap back over.
Hey guys, this trap 3 nights so just because it's out for 3 nights, nothing guaranteed. Fish, could be lobster, could be crab, could be mermaid. Yeah, I got dibs on mermaids. No, never. I wish. I've never seen one.
Are you sure? I don't believe it.
Yeah, right. That would be a lie. All right, go ahead and let go right there.
Oh,
Let go. That's perfect. I got this.
Get on!
Look at that.
Woo!
All right, guys, stay off that black snap. That's perfect, dude. Look at this poor little one. Oh, Levi. Lost the claw at some point in the process of regenerating and growing back. Come right in here. So, guys, every time we catch lobster, we need to measure to see if it makes the legal size. The part we measure is a carapace, back of the eye socket, from the back meets the tail. The carapace needs to be a minimum of 3 1/4 inches. That's my measuring point right there, point to point. First point behind the eye and the socket. The second point, if it lands up on the back, it's long enough, it's the tail, it's too small. This one is too small. See it goes by, hits that tail. Super close. Besides size, we have to know the sex of a lobster. The way you do that is underneath their tail. They have these little flippers called swimmerets. The top 2 are going to tell you the sex. If they're soft and feathered, it'll explain and bring it close to your face. If they're soft and feathery and crisscrossed like an X chromosome like mine, this is a female lobster.
My top 2 swimmerets are pointy white sticks with orange tips. There's your male.
Swing them around. Again, I got the female.
I got the male right here.
Now the female though, if we find her with eggs, we throw her back. Not all females can reproduce. So if we find a female with eggs, we throw her back. But before we do, we mark her as a breeder. Any ones that like have a solid black wing is a great black back gull, and they're the largest gull in the world. Do me a favor here, careful though. That's what's look at right behind the eye socket. Too small. Boy or girl? A plus. No eggs, no notch. But too small. I'll take this. Go like this. No, take it. Yes, yes. Perfect. Drop it on in.
Got it.
You got a good eye. Look right as an eye socket. Gotta be. Grab this white string. On that mat. Unrun through that white string. I hope she likes birds.
I like lobster.
Dump our old man, so they follow us all day, every day.
Other side of the bag and dump the old thing.
The good news is for the gulls though, like if you can ever get moved on to your business, Avery doesn't count. We have the worst in all my years. Oh, see the guy in the back of us with the black wings? That's a great black back gull. It's the largest type of gull in the world.
What is that white string you dropped
The
earlier?
worst year I've ever had was both of my years. A little girl, she was 4. She was right by the corner. Turned with the railing.
Hey!
She was so cute though. She didn't really, she was like
That long stretch up halfway.
everyone else. Right.
That's it. I'll take it from here. Thank you very much.
Gave her hoodie. We're like upgrade. So now he recognizes me and comes almost every day. He's now 5 years old, so this has been going on for 5 years. I only see him in the summer because he recognizes this boat. He doesn't recognize the other one. So for 5 years, Jerry's been coming to see me. He has his own Instagram page, Jerry the Gull, Jerry the Gull, so you can see him over the years. My stepmom loved him. She wrote a book about him. He has his own childhood book being published at the end of the year. That kills. Do another, do another. He's quick, right?
He is quick.
But he barely even gets your fingers, does he? He's really soft.
I got
Gary's
two
5 years old. He'll live to be 20 long, fully grown. Right here. Hang on that. I'll turn the boat into the waves so it's not so. Fully grown is 20 feet long. Sugarcult, one of the fastest growing things. That stuff will go 4 inches in 24 hours. It's high in iodine, calcium, fiber. It is extremely good for you. They actually aquatically farm it now in Casco Bay. She starts to wake up. Just throw her in the Pretty cool. Too small, right? So, see that?
You said it starts to wake up.
It's a seaweed, right? They'll be close. Close to small. Back in the feature. Okay, no worries, no worries. Oh, yeah.
Okay, now you go feed the seagull.
Silent, Obi. He's ready. Yeah, he knows. He's like, yep. Nice. I don't know what he did. He must have had a rough night that I got like a little red spot, like rubbed up against something red. Like rough night, buddy.
We just finished our little tour. We're heading back to the marina area. We didn't catch any lobsters that we could keep from our traps, but it was still fun. They have Jerry the seagull that we got to feed. We got to bait the traps and push them back in after they were rebaited. And then we got to check the lobsters to see if they were outside. So we had a good time here today with Lucky Catch Cruises. Check it out if you can.
Tasty one. Pretty delicious. Yeah. Good? Awesome. Yeah, take your time. That's yours. All set. Thank you. If you want to learn how to do rubber
Now we'll be able to go to OT.
We are just coming back into the harbor area, into port. We are finished with our lobstering for the day. We didn't catch any in the 3 traps that we checked. They were all too small. We did catch some crabs too. They just threw those back as well. But we had fun today. The weather, it's a little rainy right now, but not too bad. We didn't get too wet, but we've got these nice orange overalls, and yeah, we got to pick our lobster. I think we're the only group that are doing a lobster lunch after our tour, but we had fun. There was lots of information that we learned. There's some forts out there. We got to feed Jerry the seagull and bait the traps. We had fun. So this is Lucky Catch, where we came to check in and get on our boat. We just finished our lobstering on our boat, which is a good thing. We just came in, it's starting to rain some more, and we just talked to somebody at the desk, and they said that they probably are canceling the rest of the tours for the other 2 boats for today. But we've got 1 lobster that we picked from the boat, and we're going to go over to the Portland Lobster Company now and have them cook it up.